Oh boy, we are in big trouble.
So this is a pretty short video, just a quick heads up. We've talked about this on this channel before, and I'm just wondering if you're ready. So you can see the headline, and okay. They will allow some green pass holders who have taken something to access public spaces, including sports events, restaurants, hotels, and those who haven't had that will remain on lockdown. According to RT News, 43% of they have been have had it. So it's yeah, like I said, we talked about this. It's on its way. Are we ready? I don't think so. I don't want it to come. I just think mass noncompliance is about our only option. And clearly from the mass noncompliance exhibited over that other thing that they tell you have to do, I don't think we're ready. I don't know what's going to happen. But reach out while you can. Comment, whatever. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.